You guys kind of touched on it. I was going to ask about Google Duplex, what you guys thought on that. And that's kind of even going to your question, because you really couldn't tell if it was a human calling to make a reservation or not. But I thought it was pretty cool. So I kind of wanted to hear maybe some pros and cons, like some benefits. I thought it would make things a lot easier. It is an AI, and you weren't able to distinguish what's human and what's not. But it saved a crap load of time. And it's launching next month, and the Pixel's going to have it, so it's going to be in everybody's hand. So it might be here sooner than we all think. I mean, I don't know, just kind of what do you guys think on that? But I know you guys kind of just spoke on that.
Thank you, Benji. So alpha, beta, right? So Google starts in alpha, then goes to beta. We work with a lot of the beta products that actually push into the marketplace, and we've actually touched on and engaged in this. And the reality of it is it does make your life more convenient, right? I don't think there's anything that they're trying to build in that particular environment that's actually trying to interfere with your way of life. They're just trying to make it easier for you. And the motivation behind how people engage in Google is all based on this one thing. What is that one thing? Return, right? It's based how much money can they make on that particular product or service, or how much data can they use to then leverage against and make a return on it. So in this case, they're trying to just eliminate time, create a better user experience. If you know anything about what's happening on the SEO and the SEM side, it's based on this quality score of the relevancy of that data in that particular environment, right? So that's all they're trying to do, is just create a better user experience, and I think that that's actually a good thing. I think that'll be good for everyone.
Yeah, so Duplex is a very, very narrow application of AI. So, like, you couldn't actually be fooled into thinking that's a human beyond just the core functionality of being able to schedule a like haircut or something like that. Like, if you asked any complicated questions, it would just fail, or like try to sort of change the subject or something like that. So yeah, I wouldn't worry about that anytime soon. However, like the Wright brothers thought that flight was like decades away in 1902, and a lot of the times the people closest to various different cutting edge technologies don't realize just how close huge breakthroughs really are. And I think like you have to take pretty seriously the fact that like about half of the AI experts who study this quite a lot think that there is a real possibility of artificial general intelligence, like AI, that is at or past human level, will come to exist like by 2040, 2050. And a lot of people think that it's only 5 or 10 years away too. So you do have to take that pretty seriously, and like people should probably be researching how to make sure that comes about in a better way rather than a shittier way sooner.